Do I have it? Who's got it? Okay.
I'm Linda Kucinskas. I am a volunteer worker for nonprofit organizations in Tennessee and Alabama. Lawrenceburg, Tennessee is where I was born. We lived in Florence for a few years. When I graduated here in Pulaski at Giles County High in '62.
I was beginning to wonder if anyone was going to bingo.
Redstone Arsenal is where I retired. I had 25 years with government service. My husband would say, well, honey, what are you going to do now? You know, I got my business going. I said, well, you know, I heard on WLX radio station in Lawrenceburg, the senior center director was on the air and she needed volunteers. I went and introduced myself to her that day and I said, okay, have you ever thought about bingo? She said, well, we have bingo here for like 30 minutes twice a day. I said, no. I'm thinking big bingo. I'm not thinking cookies and candy giveaways. I'm thinking of prizes. And I believe I could bring you some members in. So I started my first bingo with her in April 2007. I only had 21 people.
Okay, you're Judy?
Judy Mason.
Okay, get your 2 cards and have a seat.
By the end of that month, I was up to 60. She had to put me in the basement.
We have another standard. Woo. Y'all are stubborn today. You're lucky today. Yeah. I'm in my 16th year of doing this, and I have a lot of followers. It doesn't matter where I have a bingo. I usually have the same groups. This keeps me going. My seniors do more for me than I do for them. Everything, the drinks, I go to Sam's Club for that. Here's Diet right here, Diet Coke, Dr. Pepper.
Right here.
I enjoy buying the prizes. I enjoy going to the flea markets and the auctions and the estate sales, and then I see stuff and I thought, oh gosh, that is so unique. I gotta have it, I gotta give it away.
I love to see them win the prizes and, you know, be excited, and that's my reward.
731, we got a winner chicken dinner.
It goes far beyond a community. These seniors, they come, they don't just come from Pulaski. They follow me wherever I go. I'll do it as long as I can.
Congratulations, Ellen. Now everyone give her a hand.
And this award is so special to me because I've never been noted for anything. I've never been given anything.
We appreciate you doing this.
Oh, well, I'm glad you come. I wouldn't be doing it if you didn't come. Thank you so much. Well, you're welcome, darling. This is what I do.
I enjoy my volunteer work. It gives me purpose.
Sample card. What's your free number?
I've got to have something to show them that they're special. That, hey, this is your chance to win something, you know, let's play bingo.